I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
This is the Mortgage Brothers podcast show, and today we're going to be talking about a 1% down conventional loan program. And very few banks are offering this. In fact, it's very, very few. And the difference between this and a down payment assistance program is this pricing is just absolutely decimates, any of these down payment assistance programs. This is the best loan for first-time home buyers with very little down payment.
Yeah, and we've talked about down payment assistance programs, and I always tell people nothing in life is free, including the down payment assistance. This is not a DPA or a down payment assistance program. This happens to be a program that, basically says 1% comes from you and 2% comes from the lender for a total of 3%. So this is the real deal.
Yes, and I think that you had a real scenario. A customer called I think a couple days ago. They had a 650 credit score, right? What was the details?
It was 640 credit, and I thought we were going to go into an FHA product, which this would not be available in. But as I was pricing it, the credit was not a concern, which typically it is. And with them only having to come in with 1% and the lender coming in with 2%, it totally blew FHA out of the water. Okay, so when we talk about the interest rate, because of the different adjustments on this loan program, your interest rate, even with a low credit score, should be very similar to a conventional, high credit score borrower. So not only are you getting the benefit of a lower down payment, remember, it's still a 3% down loan, but 1% is coming from you, 2% is coming from the lender, but the pricing is just really good.
Yeah, and these down payment assistance programs that a lot of banks have pushed over the last couple of years, the interest rates are horrible, absolutely horrible. They're about 1% higher, 1.5% higher, and I know that everyone wants this. We want to sell homes and sell mortgages, but this program right here is authentically really on par with normal conventional loan pricing. So absolutely.
And it's helping the borrower who cannot afford a typical mortgage even that much more. Down payment assistance, sounds great, but you're going into a mortgage that's higher than everyone else's. Yeah. So that doesn't make sense. Why would you get a mortgage when you're struggling financially and paying more than everyone else?
Yeah.
You would want to get just an all-around better mortgage, and that's what this is.
Yeah, we're talking about 1%. If people, and this can be a gift from a relative. So again, the 0% down really is only the VA loan. VA loan is the only one that can do that. This 1% is just the perfect for a first-time home buyer. Now it's good and important to know to qualify for this program. Let's go over that.
So basically when we get a call, there are two big things that we ask. Number one, what is your income? Okay, you cannot make over about $80,000. Okay.
Yes, and that's calculated. That's a moving target. So in 2025 and 2026 in the future, this is going to be different. But it's 80% of the median home income.
Correct. So today that's about $80,000. Mm-hmm. The second, this is a big one. The loan has to be under $350,000. So it can't be $352, can't be $375. It has to be $350 or under, which based upon pricing today does limit, a number of homes, but we still get calls, and there are still homes in that high 200 to mid 300 range.
Yeah. So right now we're in 2024, but depends on when you're watching this, right? But 350,000. Okay, we're talking about today. It can be a condo, it can be a townhouse, and of course a single family residence.
Correct.
So
it has to be a purchase.
And a purchase, yeah.
And you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. So that's also a big deal.
There's reduced mortgage insurance as well. It's actually a very fair mortgage insurance rate on this product. So if you want more details or you want your customers to kind of explore this option with us, be sure to contact us, email us, call us, and we'll be happy to go through all the details.
All right. Thank you, folks.
Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers podcast. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. You can email your questions to team@azmortgagebrothers.com. And be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. We'll be sure to give you personalized service and help you through the whole process. Signature Home Loans, LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans, NMLS 1007154,
NMLS number 210917 and 1618695. Equal housing lender.